Hey, come on in. Michael Roos here with Two Structures Homes. I'm the community manager for our Yukon locations, and today I'm going to be walking you through our Jordan floor plan, and this specific home site is at 2020 Sarah Vista Road. First, we're going to start by going upstairs. Now, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a bonus room. So that's what we'll be looking at first. You'll see in the bonus room we have a lot of storage. Access to the attic, which it goes back quite a way. And then we also have access to the HVAC. And that is our solar board or our radiant barrier decking, which is going to increase the longevity of your roof. As we make our way downstairs, a few things I'm going to point out that you won't see because it's behind the walls. We do 2x6 exterior walls. And what that's going to do is it's actually going to allow us to put a lot more insulation into our homes. And you can see that. Usually it's not as deep. Moving into the kitchen area, you'll see that this house has the quartz, 2-centimeter quartz, or if you're wanting to build with us, we'd do 3-centimeter granite. This specific home, it has a 3-car garage where you have the extra spot being a tandem spot. We have our tankless water heater. We'll go back a little bit further into this garage. And there's actually a cutout for the storm shelter as well. Now we do post-tension foundation, which means that we have cables ran through the cement, and then the cement hardens, and then we put tension onto those cables. The reason we have a cutout right here is because you don't want to snap those cables by accident by digging in a storm shelter. So we already did that for you guys. You'll see we have a fireplace right back there. Hidden spot for your cable boxes and anything else that you might need. Also note that we have a wood look tile, which looks nice. We also have some additional storage. Now into the master bath, or the master bedroom, we have enough size for a king size bed and 2 inside tables. 3 beautiful windows. We'll go into the master. You'll see we have a bath. And then we have our shower, and this is actually a Schluter shower system. It's going to be completely sealed, and it has a lifetime warranty on it, which is really nice. And then we have our master closet. To wrap things up, I'm going to end by showing the laundry room. And the light's out, I need to get that fixed. Some additional storage. And then the 2 bedrooms. One I'm using as an office. And the other one we have staged. Now there's a lot that I didn't go through, a lot I didn't cover. If you guys are interested in seeing this home, then please come by anytime, or you guys can give me a call. I'll make sure to post, whenever I post this, I'll make sure to leave my phone number. I look forward to seeing you guys, and I look forward to hearing about what you guys think of this home. Thank you. Bye.